急にそういうこと言ってる。
いやちゃんと出てます。
これ2センチで。
本当
違う2センチ
これ2センチ。
これ2センチ。
3つ目だけできなかったんで。
そう急にそういうこと。
すみませんすみません。秋夫さんの真似していい。天使の
ねこれやっぱこうねやっぱこの
これ
やっぱ新しいとかね多少野生味がね入ってきたんじゃないの。
Fans have been eagerly waiting for Toyota and Lexus to officially reveal the long-rumored successor to the legendary LFA supercar. Many expected the announcement to happen today, but Toyota surprised everyone by keeping the mystery alive. Instead of an official unveiling, only short video clips were released, comparing the upcoming LFR to the original LFA.
天使の
ねこれやっぱこうねやっぱこの
これ
やっぱ新しいとかね多少野生味がね入ってきたんじゃないの。
leaving enthusiasts both excited and frustrated at the same time. From what has been shown, the LFR appears to retain the spirit of the LFA while embracing modern performance and design language. The brief teaser showcased its sleek proportions and aerodynamic silhouette, hinting that Lexus might be taking a hybrid or fully electric direction. Even without an official confirmation, many believe the LFR will blend breathtaking design with next-level powertrain technology, possibly delivering a driving experience unlike anything Lexus has ever built before. While Toyota and Lexus have stayed quiet about technical details, the decision to release teaser footage signals that development is well underway. The automaker confirmed that more information will arrive by the end of this year, suggesting a potential full debut in the near future. Until then, enthusiasts are left to imagine what the spiritual successor to one of Japan's most iconic supercars will bring to the road. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting automotive updates.